Jenny here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a QR code for your in-person or online classes. So the first thing you need to do to get a QR code is you have to go and get a QR extension from the Google Chrome store. You can see I already have one that is popped up here in my toolbar because I use it a lot, but we're going to go find you a brand new one if you don't already have one in your toolbar. So let's click on Google Chrome Web Store. We're just going to go to QR code here and see what pops up. Oh, great, we got a QR generator already. You can see we have a couple of choices of different ones to choose from. You may choose whatever one that you would like to use. I tend to go with the one that has the best reviews, and that is this one here, QR code generator. So I already actually have this one downloaded, but you can see here, you just need to click Add to Chrome, and it will then just download and pop up in your toolbar. Once that is popped up, you want to go over to it and click on it. So I'm going to click on it in my toolbar. And you can see that it pops up here right away. You've got a QR code. We need to edit it so it has a URL linked to it. So you can see over here you have a couple choices. We have free text where you can type the name of it. We have a URL code, and there's some more information here that you could add to it. But we're going to stick with the URL code because that is the most important thing. So I'd already had one pasted in here, so we'll delete it real quick, but yours will be empty like this. We will need to add a URL so students can scan it. I've made a Google Forms already for my class. So what I'm going to do with the Google Forms, if I wanted to create a URL for this, I'm going to go into Send. I'm going to hit Create a Link. I'm going to copy that, go back up to my QR code. Oops, here it is. And I'm going to paste it in. All right, now we're halfway done. Your QR code has a URL, a lot of letters there. And so now we're going to go hit save. Now, I like to create this as a PNG because a PNG file is an image file. And you can easily insert images into all types of Google's suite offerings. Docs, Google Slides, Google Sites, into other Google Forms. So it's very easy to use. So we're going to just name this something we can find. I'm going to say something to find. You're going to name it something that you can find, and you're going to hit save. All right, so now if I wanted to post this QR code in my classroom, say I wanted students to be able to scan out using it, then I might create a Google Docs. So I just need to go in and hit a blank Google Docs to start a new one. And this is how easy this is. And you can do this in pretty much all of Google's suite offerings that allow you to insert images. I just go up here to the insert image, upload from computer. Voila, there's my finding something to find. And there you go. You have your QR code. Easy peasy. Now, you might want to make it big if your QR code's like if you're just posting it. If this is part of directions or a longer post or explanation, you can make it kind of any size that you need. So that is how you make a QR code. I hope it was helpful. See you next time.